each candidate who has applied for at least one of your job ads, as well as those who have sent a spontaneous application, will have access to a dedicated personal area. Within this area, candidates will be able to manage and update their personal data, upload a photo, and even delete their profile. In the personal area, candidates will be provided with a set of notifications, while in the section My Ads, they will constantly be updated on the offers they have applied for. In the Job Agents section, they can always be up to date with job ads they are interested in simply by receiving email notifications. In the Documents tab, they can upload a whole set of documents that they want to share with you, such as diplomas or certifications. Besides, candidates can always decide to answer the video CV or the job test by themselves, and the results will always be saved and available for you and your colleagues within the system.